Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do my June 2021 monthly setup in my B6 Stalogy. This cover is from Angie Boutique, and the clear cover on the actual B6 Stalogy is from Lauren Phelps Designs. And let's get into it. I'm going to show you just a peek at last week, which I really didn't do anything. I kind of just haven't been in the mood. I did fill in a few things, but I didn't journal or fill in like I normally do. Today is Saturday, so I may fill in for the weekend. I don't know. But moving right along, I have this B6 Traveler's Notebook insert that is from my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. And I don't think I used a smaller size last month. Yeah, I did use a smaller one. So maybe I should print the A6. I think that's what size this is. Okay, so now we have the right size. I did print it on a heavier paper, but I used a different printer. Okay, so let's see. That's how I want to do it. Just leave a little room around the spine. Get my glue stick. I'm going to use the glue stick because I don't want to have to fight with the tape. So the glue stick may, let's see, I can use this, cause the paper to warp a little bit, but hopefully it won't. This glue stick is getting kind of old. I really need to use it up. Let's see. Let's get those edges good. There's a lot going on outside today. I hear sirens, horns blowing, thunder, wind blowing. It's a lot. The wind is really, really high just within the last 30 minutes or so. And so I went outside to see if it was actually cooling off since the wind's so high. No, it's not cooling off. It's just blowing around the hot air. So, I got glue on that side. But yeah. It's quite warm today. It's like 90 degrees now, and it's already cooled off some. So, okay, just wipe off any glue stick that I got on the front and smooth it down. Where's my ruler? Let's use the ruler. Hopefully this isn't too bright. I've been playing around with my camera settings, trying to do better. I probably need a new camera, but I just haven't found one that speaks to me. Since Memorial Day is on the 31st, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So I've got several packages of Happy Mail, and maybe I should go through some of these and look for some inspiration. So this one is from Paper J. And if you remember, I used a kit from Paper J not long ago on a Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge for animals. And so I don't know why I'm trying to open this. Is tissue paper. Let me just open it. So this is their card, and I don't know if these are stickers or not. Paper J stickers and stationery. So let's see what this is. Maybe it's something I want to use for June. Dear Rachelle. So this says, hi Rachelle, I've updated my shop and sent you some goodies that I hope you enjoy. Keep being amazing as always. Jerica at Paper J. Something just for you. Your Paper J pack includes one sticker pack, one bookmark Black Lives Matter die cut sticker. Oh, yes. See? Okay. Holographic finish. Carrot pun die cut sticker. Holographic finish. That's what else I wanted to do. See that? Yeah. I love this. This is really nice. This will go in my, I don't know, I should maybe put it in my body book. But my first thought was to put it in my social media planner. I think I will. So I don't have anything in here other than a pen to mark my place. So let's do that. Then this is the Black Lives Matter sticker. I don't know if you can see it, it's hollow. Then this one is, I'd make a veggie joke, but no one would care it at all. Okay, those are kind of hard to show up on, on film. I like this. Colorful. So this is the kit. You got some a day of the week stickers, okay. Goes. This looks more like it would work great for a journaling type spread. I don't know. Oh, I like that. Okay, so, but no, it won't work for what I'm doing right now, but it will work for something else. So set that aside. So then now that I know, I'm going to save these for another video because I know what those are. This one is from Coco's Vision. So maybe there's something in here that I can use for the monthly. Let's see. I know I want to use him for Father's Day. That's why I got him. And then a working girl. Maya. She would be nice and summery. This is journaling card. No face, no case. She would be good too. Minding my business. Oakley. And good days. Okay, so none of those are the look that I'm going for, except maybe no face, no case. What I wanted to kind of highlight in this month is Juneteenth. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now, can I use these two washies from Simply Gilded? Because I want to put a little floral in there. I don't want it to be all black and white. Let's see how that goes. So I'm going to run these across the top. And I really should have moved this up a little bit more. Let's see, I can put it right there on the edge. Somebody's car alarm's going off now. It's like, wow, what is going on outside today? That's not catching the edge of that one. But it'll be okay. All right, so there's that. And then I'm gonna put the bows down at the bottom. I am on the right page. See, it did make the page curl a little bit. Let's see if we can smooth that down. So the glue made the page curl a little bit, but it could be worse. So okay, so I have these dolls that are from, I can't remember where I got them from. I think it's Sandy Sticker. Let's see, I got the card in here. Sandy's Paper Shack. So I'm going to use one of those. And I think I'm going to use the all black. So these are for Juneteenth. So they're going to go right here. And then I also have these. So I noted Memorial Day already. Let's use the June off of here. I'll use all of these. So I'll use this for June. I never know where to put this. Should I even put it like this? Nah. I'm gonna put it right here. I'll probably end up moving it. I move everything. Do I want to use numbers, or do I want to just write it in? What have I been doing? I wrote it in, I think, mostly all of these. Yep, so let's just write it in. Well, this is a Pilot G2.7, I think. So let's do it. Father's Day is the 20th. Let's go on and mark that. What is going on out there? Juneteenth is on Saturday. And when is the first day of summer? The 21st? Oh, it's the 20th, so I don't have room for that. How are we gonna work that out? Let's see. Maybe if I move Father's Day up a little bit. But then I don't want to cover her too much. And then put first day of summer down here. Oh wait, didn't I make some smaller ones? I think I did. Let's use the smaller ones. Haha, I just haven't cut them up yet. So I don't need the big ones, but I do need to cut these up. So these are available to patrons, and I'm going to try and finish the year out of doing these. So I'm going to leave Juneteenth, even though it's crooked. I'm going to leave that because it should be big. Okay. Now let's do Father's Day. Right there. And then we can do first day of summer. And I need to remember to cut those up. For the birthday, what do I want to use? So I'm going to use this birthday cake. Oh, I got a whole nother sheet of these. Let's see. From the Queen P. I have a few appointments, but I will note those later. And I think that's pretty much it. It doesn't need to be over the top fancy. I do need to go in and put the tab on. Let's see, where are those? So these are the ones I'm using. And I think I'm just going to leave it black and white this time. I have been going over it with a highlighter to change the color, but I don't think that's necessary. And I didn't skip any pages, which is something that I have been doing. And I probably should have, because I don't really want to put the tab on this page, but I guess it doesn't matter. I got to learn how to decide how to do this in advance and decide how many pages I need to skip and all of that. Let's just put the tab on there If we can get it straight, that would be great. It's crazy that these tabs are so difficult for me to get on, but they are. All right, so that is it. Just a little washi, a few stickers for the month. So since I didn't put this on last month, I'm just gonna stick this on here. I think I might have, but I don't remember. So I'm gonna put an official start of summer here on the 31st. And I guess I can fill it in more as the month goes on. It seems a little simple and plain, but that's okay. I do want some black flowers, and I just haven't printed any out yet, but I think those would be nice on here. So when I get around to it, I will do that. And yeah, let's zoom in a little bit. So that is it. That is my monthly in my everyday planner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. See, I knew it needed something more. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.